Guys, I'm here in the server. Guess who's murderer? And I don't know. Guys, I'm here in the 5 people server. Uh, and this is a bald hair party. And we're playing Guess the Murderer. So I want to speak Tagalog. So I will speak Tagalog now. Actually, hindi medyo maintindihan yung English ko. Kaya mas sanay ako sa Tagalog. Inosente ako. So, guys, mayroon pala ako dito pumulot ng coins. Naku po, sinabi ko na, di ba guys, kapag nag-luya, ang bald hair. Actually, ang tagal talagang pag-vote ng map. Ayun, Mansion 2. Ano, yun. Ito yung nagpasimula ng game, oh. So, mamaya-maya guys, mag-start na yung game. Yan na, start na pala. Hindi ko na malayan yun, ah. So, now, sheriff ako, kaya hulaan ko sila. Wait lang, may kulang, ah. Ayun. Okay. Welcome. Easy peasy lang. Ayaw ko na magsabi ng easy peasy kasi kanina nagsabi ako ng easy peasy. Ito. Wait. You know, 3 easy peasy ang tawag dun. Kasi itong keyboard na to, tignan nyo. O, diba? Yung E naging 3. Next round. Murder ako pala. Dapat pala pinatay ko na sila kanina pa eh. Tama yun eh. Dapat pinatay ko na kanina. Ayun tuloy. Wala akong nakuha coins. Sino may kasalanan? Di ako. Dito tayo guys. Dito. Research facility. Dito. Hindi nila alam. Mangdadaya ako dito. Hindi nila talaga alam magdadaya ako doon. Dapat research facility yun guys ha. Pag hindi lang yung research facility. Naku po. Naku, sabi ko na nga ba eh. Hindi to research facility. Office to eh. Office to eh. Ay, hindi. Police station. Inosente pa ako. Hindi ko kabisado tong map na to. Dito muna ako. Yun. Inosente pa ako, sir. I'm so innocent. Innocent pa ako. Hindi pa ako huliin. Let's go. Guys, pinatay ako. Inosente na nga lang ako. Buti naka full coins ako. Workplace daw tayo, sabi ni Boss Bossing. Boss Bossing? So, hindi ko alam kung dito ba tayo sa canteen, dun sa main bedroom. Ewan ko. Ay, palagi na lang ako namamatay. Galing ng sound nun ah. Ito lang sound. Ay, ito pala. Sorry. Anong vote natin? Hospital, okay. Ay, factory daw, sabi ni Boss Bossing. Ay, ang hirap talaga mag-English. Kanina kasi, ay, kahapon, kanina. Anong oras na ba ngayon? 7:03. Kahapon, nag-record ako. Tapos, ewan ko kung anong pinagkakagawa ko eh. Hi! I'm throwing tables and throwing habits and my daddy just stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere I can be alone. I'll be waiting. All I have to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Tama ba? So ngayon, asan pala sila? Lilibot na lang ako ulit dito. Hindi ko nga kabisado tong workplace na to eh. I'm throwing tables and then throwing handles and my daddy just stay away from Juliet. I was crying on the stairs. Please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere. I'll be waiting. All I can do is run. You'll be the king and I'll be the princess. It's a love story. Baby, just say yes. Yawning is fun. Please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me. And be alone. I'll be waiting. All I can do is run. Ay, tagal naman na itong round na to. Parang di na to matatapos ha. Bag character to, di ba? Bawal to sa Brookhaven.